Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Bai Li Jin Among Mortals, chapter 208. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Xiaojin and Muxi. The two of them are going to the fork together with Sisi and Xin Buyi. Well, definitely, they really want to have fun, especially right now. By Lichin, she was really excited. She said to Mixie, Mixie, look, probably she's seeing food again. Well, it was right. There's a lot of donuts, lollipops, cakes, ice cream. These are all my favorites. Xiaojin said to Mixie, well, definitely, she really wants to eat. Mixie said, Xiaojin, do you want to eat it? I'll buy it for you later. I want to eat, but actually, I want to eat something more. Oh, what could it be? Xiaojin, is she really getting tricky? I don't know when I will leave. It turns out, sooner or later, she knows that she will leave. That's why she wants to spend more time with Muxie, right? Muxie, do you have any wish? Xiaojin is asking her. Well, definitely, she know that she will leave. That's why she want to have a good experience with her. I want to accompany you to do what you want to do. Muxie, my wish? Well, of course, maybe she noticed. That's why right now she's a little bit calm. I want to eat cotton candy. The amusement park have those huge cotton candy. Although it was clearly stated that I was accompanying Mixie to fulfill her wish, why did I feel that she is fulfilling my wish? As soon as you walk in, you start thinking about eating. Don't communicate with the people who don't understand sweet. It's tasteless. Well, Xiaojin, she was really funny. Although Buyi right now. And Buyi said, dessert with milk tea is a perfect. Well, definitely this too is really a glutton. I don't want to bother with you. Sissy said to the two of them. Well, now Sissy, she becomes strange again. Definitely. On the other hand, it is Muxi. Xiaojin and Mengxi love to bicker as soon as they meet. It's really funny. Amusement park, but it's a little hard to say, so I didn't tell Xiaojin. Mixi, what is a red circle on the left? What is the boat lighting in the middle? In the middle is a fire chief. The tallest one right there is a Ferris wheel. Really? Inviting people to the amusement park in the middle of the winter? But he agreed without hesitations and looked very happy. Really doing it for Xiaojin. Right now, Sissy, she was asking Buyi, are you cold? She was really dressed well, and she's really coating herself so much clothes. You're so far away from me. Are you afraid that I will steal your body temperature? Sissy, if you're afraid I'll be cold, just closer to me. Well, definitely. It really makes sense. But for Xiaojin, stop talking about love. I want to finish all the projects today. So it turns out she was really rushing through. It's a small plane. Sissy, you're chasing after me. This is like when we are little. Mengsi, you're flying below me now. You're defeated. You don't know how to use idioms. Don't speak nonsense. Now they came through on the fire ship. Well, definitely. It was scary more a little. Right now, look at them. Mixie, are you scared? Mixie said to Violet. It's a little bit. It was really scary. Right now, looking at the two of them, just hold my hand so you just don't be afraid. I'm a god. A mere pirate is nothing to me. Although I didn't understand the logic, but I felt reassured that holding Xiaojin's hand. Sissy, I'm so scared. If I faint later, you have to hold me up. Sinbuya said to Sissy. Sissy answered and said, good. Really sweet with each other. Now, looking at Xiaojin, everyone seems to be worried. Mengxi. Well, let's see on what will happen. Well, this too is really cute. Right now, it was Muxie's turn. She put it in the air. Well, definitely, she was really scared, but Xiaojin, she was really enjoying this moment. Muxie, are you okay? Muxie said that she was fine. Where are those two people? Why are they so slow? And she was really scared on that ride. This is so fun, I want to ride it again. Are you sure? Let's go play something else first and see what happens later. Well, definitely, she was really scared and she don't want to say it to her. You all want some marshmallows. Go ahead. I don't eat sweet things. Well, definitely, Sissy. She was really too tough. Right now, looking at it, you see a cotton candy, she suddenly bite it off. She really wants sweets, but she don't want to tell Senbui. She was really cute. On the other hand, it was Xiaojing, the perfect circle cotton candy. Right now, she's biting it off. Oh, what could it do? What will Xiaojing's gonna do? She curved the cotton candy into heart shape so she can give it to Muxie. Look at her. She was really happy. Well, definitely Muxie. She was really fond of it. After riding so many rides, now, it turns out it was a bumper car. Oh, they're going to ride it. Xiaojin, seeing that, it's time for me to show off my skill. She looks really happy and confident on herself that she can do these things. Well, let's see on what will happen. Xiaojin is so awesome. So, it turns out she can really bump into each other. Come on, Xiaojin man. Also, she need try to control Xiaojin. Well, Xiaojin seems to be acting like a child. I am invincible. Well, definitely, she was really enjoying the ride. Stu is secretly trying to stay away because she knows that Xiaojin will do really silly things to them. Right after them, Xiaojin's already see them. But now, look at her. She looks like she will do mischievous things. Well, definitely it was right. Well, she was really going after them. Xiaojin, well, she was really acting cute. Two of them already caught by Xiaojin. There are still two fish that slip through the net. She's going after them right now. Let's see what will happen next week. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye.